Let's also talk about Premier Energies as well as Waaree. Vivek is joining in. Vivek, there's a slightly negative broker note out on these stocks.
Well, that's right. A cautious stance coming in from Bernstein as far as the solar PV space is concerned. So Bernstein has written a very interesting note. They've initiated coverage on two of the stocks, both Waaree as well as Premier Energies. Now, both of them, they have an underweight rating, and the target price for Waaree is at close to 1,902 rupees a share. For Premier Energy, close to 693 rupees a share. What is it? Number one, they actually like the business model. They also like the fact that both of the companies have made smart moves at the right time. So, number one, smart investments have been made. They are pioneers as far as India's solar PV space is concerned, and potential, especially in the near term and coming quarters, is actually quite promising. What is it that makes them quite cautious on the space? They say that they recognize supernormal returns won't last indefinitely. So on the back of that, companies are actually diversifying into energy transition areas such as batteries. Why do they have an underperform rating if they like the business model? Number one, the cycle positioning is such that there could be significant competition coming in, expectations of deteriorating returns from this point on, and also the high valuations with the regulatory arbitrage-based businesses, so that cannot be justified at such high valuations. They also say that the industry currently is at close to cyclically peak returns. This on the back of the fact that the retail prices currently in India are almost 2 to 3 times the global levels, and also the export at which the company does is significantly higher. There is very low entries to barrier. On the back of that, they expect much larger and deeper pocket players to enter this particular industry, and they expect, number one, it's too early to give a credible value to new ventures, especially with large conglomerates entering the space. So overall, they are positive on the space, but they're quite cautious, especially when it comes to share price returns from this point on the back of deteriorating returns that they expect, given the fact that it's cyclically peak.
All right, a nice wordplay and title of the report: sand, gold. Price of gold, value of sand. We'll talk about we'll discuss this in greater detail with the analysts concerned. But